Hi everyone, we're doing Unit 3 today of polynomial functions. Starting with Lesson 3.1, exploring polynomial functions. So once again, I'll start out with the definition. A polynomial function is a function consisting of one or more terms with a variable or unknown raised to a non-negative integer power. A polynomial function of degree n is a function whose equation can be written down in the form that's shown in the slide, where n is non-negative integer and the number that's in front of x is a real number. These real numbers are called coefficients. The coefficient of the highest power of x, which in this case is a0, is a leading coefficient. The degree of a function is the highest power of x, and in this case it will be n. A polynomial function in one real variable can be represented by a graph. The graph of a zero polynomial is f of x equals 0. This is basically the x-axis. The graph of a degree 0 polynomial is f of x equals to a0, where a0 does not equal to 0, and this is a horizontal line with y-intercept a0. The graph of a degree n polynomial, or a linear function, is f of x equals to a0 plus a1x. In this case, a1 does not equal to 0, because if it does, then it would be the same as the graph of a degree 0 polynomial, And this graph is an oblique line. Oblique line being a line that's neither parallel nor perpendicular, but rather is more of a slanted line, with the y-intercept a0 and with a slope of a1. Now let's take a look at example 1 from your learning resources. Here we have the question, say that the following is a polynomial. If not, why? What is its leading coefficient and degree of the function? We have the equation f of x equals to 6x cubed plus 4x squared plus 2x plus 1. It is a polynomial because the function has only one variable that goes up to the power that is an integer as well as non-negative. The leading coefficient is 6 because that is the real number that's in front of x of the highest degree, and the degree is 3. Now let's look at some simple functions. The simplest polynomial functions are functions that consider single term only x. Here's some examples. A polynomial function of f of x equals to x is a linear function. One of f of x equals to x squared is quadratic. One of f of x equals to x cubed is cubic. The polynomial function of f of x equals to x to the power of 4 is quartic. The one with f of x equals to x to the power of 5 is quintic. So that marks the end of this video. Please remember to do your assignments as well as upload them for the teachers to mark. And I'll see you guys next lesson.